Full RPM here, guys. I'm looking for one lucky winner to win this beautiful 2024 BMW S1000RR with race and dynamic package, M forged wheels, quick shifter up and down, M endurance chain, a Kropovich exhaust, cruise control, and much more. So for your chance to enter to win it, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com.
I love to see when I'm in these streets, people run up on me and tell me I'm the realest in it.
Hello. Let's go.
Yes!
No cheating, okay? Don't cheat me. Here we go. I don't know. All right. What's up, baby? Oh, that's why. Oh, man. You ain't see that big old bus there, pal? Got left over there. Hello. Hello. Bro, this is so much fun. I'll see you again, brother. Ride safe. Alright. Alright. Hotter than a fantasy. I see you, baby. Quarter peeking. Oh, watch out now. What are you doing?